So to descale this machine, which you need to do occasionally, especially if you're using tap water, which will lead to further build-up of limescale, you want to do this every few months and putting the fluid in the back, descaling fluid or your vinegar solution. Then you will press down, once the machine is on and it's stopped flashing, press down these two buttons for 3 seconds until they start flashing, and then you'll be in descaling mode. Then you press the lungo button, which is a large cup, which will have then continuous water flow from the water tank, which needs to be full of your descaling fluid, through to your container to catch it. Obviously something bigger will be better if you're doing large quantity. And then you flush it through 2 times for descaling fluid and 5 times for vinegar solution. So you press it like that and it will run through, bringing out any of the gunk and dirty stuff. It's also good to clean your machine every day as well, with general water coming up. You don't need to go into descaling mode. And then to come out of descaling mode, you hold these again for 3 seconds. There's no bleep, the flash just slightly changes, and then you leave it for about 10 seconds or so and it will just go back into normal coffee making mode. And you're good. One thing to be aware of is that, especially if you're running through a lot of water with your flush afterwards, the machinery might overheat. You'll notice by it feeling warm. The device isn't that clever at keeping itself cool for overuse. If that happens, the machine may not play a game with anything that you're doing. You just have to let it cool down completely and then you'll be good to go again.